Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English learning stories. This is Arun. Arun is not feeling well. He goes to the hospital. At the hospital, he goes to the reception. He takes a token and waits. The doctor calls his name. Arun goes inside the doctor's room. The doctor asks, "What is the problem?" Arun says, "I have a headache and fever." The doctor checks him. The doctor gives a prescription. Arun goes to the pharmacy. He buys the medicine. He takes the medicine and goes home. Repetition and practice. Let's practice together. Where does Arun go? Arun goes to the hospital. What does he take? He takes a token. Who checks Arun? So the doctor checks Arun. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I went to the hospital. I took a token at the reception. The doctor called my name. I told the doctor my problem. I had a fever. The doctor gave me medicine. I bought the medicine from the pharmacy. I went home. Comprehension check. Let's see how much you remember. 1. Where did Arun go? 2. What problem did Arun have? 3. Who gave the prescription? Great job if you answered. Friends, this was today's English learning story. I hope you enjoyed it and practice speaking with me. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, English Animated Shorts. Click the bell icon.